Side.
Wait, start anyways.
Okay, relax. Hey, Caroline. First Christmas. First Christmas.
This is the first time she's been woken up.
Oh, a little bit of payback.
Oh,
What's the Mac Pro?
What did you guys get?
I got a MacBook.
Charlie, did you get that fishing rod? Charlie, is that a fishing rod?
What'd you get, guys?
What? Do you see the big jam box?
The big jam box is wireless one.
Grandpa Charles.
Caroline, look what you got.
Nice.
What you get, Care Bear?
Put it on, let me see if it fits you.
Oh my god.
And Cheney, Santa said that was so,
What is it?
that's also your birthday
What
present.
is it?
Look at that.
Okay,
What is it?
I'm happy with it.
What is it?
MacBook.
Is that where you read? Is that a
It's a computer.
Old.
It's basically just a note.
Grandma.
I mean, a laptop.
Oh, okay. Isn't there one you read from? You read through it? Read
The
it?
iPad, maybe.
My friend had one in Texas on there. Was readers.
What? Charlie?
Oh, look,
Didn't you get the
You
new
like
one? It's
it?
like Wyatt's, a different
She
color.
got her own little
Charlie,
What?
is
laptop.
that like? Is
thing.
it what is that?
Wyatt, look up.
Big title.
Huh?